Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the regular updates. The power of practice. Once there was a young girl named Maya who loved to paint. She dreamt of becoming a great artist, but her first paintings were messy and unappealing. Frustrated, she wanted to give up. Her grandmother, a skilled painter, noticed her disappointment and said, "Maya, every great artist started just like you. The power of practice is what makes you better each day." Maya decided to practice every day, focusing on a small improvement. With each brush stroke, her painting got better. Weeks passed, and soon her work began to impress everyone around her. One day, Maya painted a beautiful landscape, and everyone admired. Maya smiled, realizing her grandmother was right. The more she practiced, the better she became. Moral of the story: the power of practice leads to improvement and success. Never give up, because practice makes you better.